Hey guys, and welcome back to another Roblox video. So today we are playing Bacon. So a new chapter has just dropped. It's not a new chapter, it's a game mode. So it is Double Trouble. So today we are going to try to play it, but because because I was playing this before and had the idea suddenly to make a video. It came out yesterday. So I am going to see you guys after this intermission. Okay, so see you. Okay, so like every player just died of like 9 to 8 seconds after I paused the video. So like not even 10 seconds. So we are going to let's do chapter 2, because we are going to play the mode, not a new chapter or anything. But if a new chapter comes out, I'm going to make a video on that the same day. Like oh yes, it says new. So let's do Double Trouble. Hey, people are voting for Double Trouble. Hey, no, hey, do for chapter. Oh no, do for Double Trouble. Yes, people are voting for Double Trouble. Okay, so I just wanted to play it, like not any chapter like new. I just wanted to play the mod. Like let's see what happens in this mod. I haven't read the description or anything. So it seems that I shouldn't be here. Oh, it seems like I shouldn't be here. This is bad. Hey, what happened to my lights? Are they gone out? Hey, I paid for the bills already. And then like somebody just kills you. Hey, okay, let's see what we can find near the computer lab. That may give us a clue. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to distract Bacon so that he comes to me while the other players look for the keys, and then when they complete looking, I'm just going to try to escape before he catches me. And hey, a chunk of my arm has disappeared, and oh god, we have a couple of Bacons. Hey, come to me, you little big head. Hey, come to me. Oh hey, Mother Gothel is coming, so I'm gonna run. Hey, don't go down upstairs, she's coming. Ah! Oh man, I survived. Okay, so I have no choice but to go upstairs. Okay, and I hope so that Mother Gothel isn't coming. Okay, Mother Gothel is right down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower him up. Oh come on, why are these people dying? Don't they know how important it is to escape? So they are not coming upstairs like Bacons. Hey, oh come on, why? Okay, I'm just going to oh shit. She's targeted by both of them, so I'm gonna peace out. Okay, they're coming. Press to crouch. Okay, go. Yes, thank God. Okay, I'm not done. Okay, so they are like, hey, what the heck? Where did they go? He just like disappeared into thin air. But they didn't know that there's oh god, I heard a big footstep. Is it from front of me? Okay, so I'm just going to Hey, Father Gothel. Ah! Come at me, you fool! Ah! Oh god. Go! No! Oh god! Hey! They both killed me. Oh wait, everyone died. I was the last person alive. Hey! Oh wait, I think that Double Trouble mode is a very difficult one. So hey, do Double Trouble. Dude, okay, let's go to Bacon Estate. Do anything you want. I'm just going to watch you guys. Nothing. Hey, Bacon Estate. Do Double Trouble. Please do Double Trouble. Yep, I'm going to watch. Hey, vote for Double Trouble. Why aren't you people voting for Double Trouble? Oh, these people have no interest in Double Trouble. So guys, I'm going to play 2 games, like this one and another one after it. So then the video will end. Okay. So guys, you may know that I'm making shorter videos by day because it's Ramadan. I'm Muslim, so I need to fast in Ramadan. But I will keep making videos regularly. Don't worry about that. They're going to be short, but yeah, they are going to be videos. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Hey, Oh, what? I wonder what the sound was. Okay. Oh god. Okay, I'm too far. Okay, this I think is enough. Okay, so I'm gonna run. 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 So, like I played a previous modes of. I played like Bacon before, and it said that and it's like he comes out of either that door or that door, like the one there. And I think yes, the bacons come out from that one. And somebody already died. Hey, what the? Oh, he fell. Hey, somebody left. The one with the piggy left. Hey, hey, you piggy. Hey, hey, big head. Hey, come at me. Okay, I'm gonna run. Hey, where is he coming at me? Hey, come at me. You fool. Haha, he doesn't know how to. Okay, he doesn't know how to come and get me. Come and get me, you fool. Come and get me. Come and get me. Look, I'm right here. Okay, so apparently he just was like right behind me. So I ran and jumped and gone to the cabinet. So I am, let's just okay, I am going to run away if I find anything unusual. Okay, let's go there first. Okay, oh. What am I doing? I am clumsy. So what I need to do is coming. Okay, so somebody's. So oh my god! God! No! Come on! Why is this so bad? Okay, so I'll see you guys after the pause. So people are really bad at this game. Like I cannot like 2 to 3 people like died at once. So there are only like these 2 remaining. I think so. If the server size has not increased, then I think these are. If the server hasn't got more people, then I think that's they are only left. The only ones left are them. Okay, he's dead. Why the heck did he try to get into him? Like why? Oh no, Bacon, sorry, but you are not going to enjoy this kill because he's going to go down. Okay, they both are. Oh, somebody died. Hey, the last person died. Okay. Poor Bacon. Sorry. Because of my recent piggy video, I said piggy a lot in that video. So I think I've got a little bit of a habit to say piggy whenever I try to say bacon. Whenever I say bacon. Whenever I mean to say bacon. Okay. So like my English is so bad, but every year I get an award for best spoken English in the class, but every time I speak English, like my mother says that I am a disgrace to the name of English, like the English will be saying that what the heck have I done coming here into this world with these crazy non-understanding people. But let's just play this game. I'm not going to talk about English. I hate English, but I just speak it to make you guys understand what I am saying. But English is not my native language. I speak Urdu because it is my national language. Like okay, I'm not going to speak Urdu because most of you might not understand it. I am not going to speak Urdu because most of you won't understand it. Okay? But if I spoke, then you will be like confused. Like Urdu is a very difficult language for those who have spoken English for the whole of their lives. But who live in Pakistan, my native land, then they will most likely know Urdu because it is our national language. So okay, why am I talking about Urdu, about languages? I am supposed to be talking about the game. What the heck am I doing? Okay, I'm set it down. Okay, so hey, are they making progress? I didn't see anything. Okay, so I have always wondered that that Bacon has a Lamborghini. Yes, I think that's a Lamborghini or Ferrari in his garage. But if he is able to buy so much, why does he live in such a poor like house? Oh, what? The game ended. But how? It was like just said 2 minutes and 3 minutes and 40 or whatever. Let's just play the game again. Hey, let's do sewers. Sewers making look bad. Hey, what are you voting for? Hey, oh my god, people want to play this, so I'm just going to go. Hey, do for double trouble. Go for double. Go for trouble. Don't do what? Come on, people. You want to play double trouble? Why are these people don't wanting to play double trouble? Why is this so bad? I am the dancing clown. Blue blah. Okay, so. Oh man, Bacon hasn't been to school for a week. Yeah, where was he? Ooh, I hope Bacon is okay. You didn't hang out with him. Why do you care he's okay? Ooh. Okay. Hey, I wonder. Hey, a green key. Hey, you noobs. I found the green key. Hey, I'm going to help you people. Okay, so where does this green key go? Okay, so let's just see where the green key goes. Okay, I'm gonna see. Okay, Bacon, is that you? Okay, I'm going to crouch. Oh, here's the green door. Okay, so I hope so. I think I find something good. Hey, it's accessible. Okay, so I'm going to leave my key here and I'm going to get this stupid orange key, I think. Yes, it's an orange key. Hey, you noobs, I found a key. If you want it, then come get it. Hey, why can't I get? Oh, sorry. I have to first leave this, and then I will get this. Oh, hey, I have a red key. I have the red key. So, hey, you open this door. Okay. Okay, Bacon is like right there, and he's like stuck. Okay, so he went for the other people, but I don't think he saw me. Okay, he saw me. No, he didn't. Okay, I'm just gonna go right here. So where does the red key go? Does it go into the attic? Hey, there. Okay, I heard him, so I'm bailing. Hey, what are you hiding? Don't you dare hide. We are trying to protect our friends and escape from here. Okay, he's not upstairs, right? Yep, he's not. Okay, I hear his footsteps. Oh god, no! What? And I have the red key! Why does Lord have rewarded me with such bad luck? Ooh! Okay guys, I just wanted to thank you. I just wanted to thank you that I have just reached 150 views and 8 subscribers, which is very nice. I wanted to thank all of you guys for supporting this channel and making it grow. I hope so you guys let make this channel grow a bit more. I've got 1 million subscribers. If you don't subscribe and like to this video right now, I'm going to come at your house and make you forcefully. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to be happy, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to be notified whenever my video drops, and make sure to be happy in these difficult times of coronavirus. Okay, and Ramadan Mubarak. Okay, Ramadan Mubarak. Okay. So that was Urdu, and okay, I'm going to